Okay, so today is day 30 of my skincare regimen with Your, and I could not be more excited to actually finally tell you guys about this skincare system that I've been using and my experience with it. So this is my first time using the cleansing system, and right off the bat I'm kind of like taken back because this here is the cleanser. However, it actually is like not sudsing up. I don't know if it's like not a sudsy kind of face wash or if like, I mean, I just put on double, so I know that it's not enough product, but it's interesting. Now we're going to take step 2, which is our day cream. It's super moisturizing feeling and absorbs really quickly, and it feels really good. Like, it's not heavy where it feels like it's sitting on your skin. I just feel like that really literally just absorbed into my skin that quick. So this is our first face wash with the new Your system. This is day 1 and we have 29 more days to go. I am using my skincare system, so I went ahead to wash my face using the same cleanser that you guys saw in the last clip. Now I'm actually going to go ahead and do the nighttime routine, and the only difference in this routine is that we are going to be using our number 3, which is the serum. Using our number 4 night cream. So the night cream is cool because you can actually just push it up and some product comes out, so that way you don't have to dip into it, and 2 pumps is like the perfect amount. So a few simple steps, and that is the nighttime routine. And I'm just pressing this into my skin, and it's so lightweight that you really feel it absorbing. And you get the perfect amount. Still super easy, super simple, and my face feels really, really good. Quite honestly, I've always been very skeptical about trying new skincare routines and just, you know, new products in general because of the sensitivities that I have with my skin. Being that there's so many harmful ingredients inside of the skincare products and things that we put on our skin nowadays, I was very hesitant in trying any new products for my skin. And that is when I found out about Yours. So Yours is an effortless skincare regimen that is tailored to your skincare needs. Not only does it take the guesswork out of finding a skincare regimen, but it also uses artificial intelligence to identify the best regimen for your skin. So taking into account your age, your skin type, factoring that in with other proven results for people who have similar skin type to yours to find the best routine for you. Not only is Your a super easy solution, it's also super transparent. So Your gives you a skincare quiz where they go ahead and figure out what is it that your skin needs, taking into account where you currently are with your skin and the goals that you have for your skin long term. And one of the biggest things that I was excited to hear is that they are a clean company, meaning that they do not include any parabens, any fillers, and are toxin free. And on top of that, they're also cruelty free and made in the US. So I mean, it kind of hits every mark, which is why I was really excited to use this product, because if you're someone like me who suffers with skin conditions or just sensitive skin in general, you will know what's in your products. You'll know exactly what it is, and it's actually going to be only things that'll be beneficial to your skin. So that way you can actually understand your products and what exactly they're supposed to be doing for your skin. So when I took my skincare quiz, I had to really dig deep and figure out what exactly was one of my skin concerns or one of my skin issues. So granted, I do have a skin condition that does cause discoloration within my skin. That's something that I kind of can't really help. However, if I look deeper than the surface, one of the things that I really noticed a lot in my skin is that I have some pretty decent sized pores. Now, I also have a really dry skin, which is something that I suffer through, which is kind of what can cause my discoloration in my skin. So I need something that is really going to replenish my moisture barrier, but I also needed something that was going to clean deep down in my pores and really get that buildup out, so that way my pores wouldn't come off as large as they kind of were. So one of the first steps to getting started is to do your skincare quiz. Now, yours uses an artificial intelligence system that is going to go ahead and assess what you put in to figure out what is going to be best for your skin type. So one of the ingredients that was included for hydrating my skin was squalene. So squalene is derived from olives and is biologically similar to the lipid produced by our own skin cells that helps nourish and protect our skin and fight against moisture loss. Another nourishing ingredient recommended for my skin type was jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is packed with beneficial vitamins and antioxidants and aids in hydration by nourishing the lipid barrier and preventing moisture loss. And it was also recommended that I add hyaluronic to my skincare regimen, which is an element that holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water to instantly plump the skin from the inside out, and it uses moisture to help provide a smoother and silkier texture to the skin. And lastly, to address the issue of pores that I mentioned, it was recommended that I add Glycolic to my regimen, which is derived from sugarcane and the smallest AHA with the excellent ability to unclog pores by removing dead skin cells and toxins. So when you go ahead and enter your skincare concerns inside of the skincare quiz, it's going to go ahead and formulate the same list for you just based off of things that are best for your skin type. So not only do you receive these high quality, top-notch, customized skincare items for your skin, but the assistance that you receive throughout this 3-month temperature is just amazing. So say one of the products is just not working for you and you feel like one of the ingredients is not, the best for your skin type. No problem. The team at Your is so committed to providing excellent customer service that they're not only going to check in with you to see if that might be the case, but they'll go ahead and swap out any products that you are not satisfied with until you find your perfect match. So it's not one of those skincare systems where it's like, okay, if it doesn't work out, then whatever. No, they really, really want to provide you excellent service and want to make sure that you walk away with the best results that you could possibly have. Okay guys, so it is day 30 and it is time to give you guys my honest opinion about the skincare system. Now, I must say to begin with, I was a little bit taken back with the cleanser. That was probably one of the items that I just, I'm just not used to not having a cleanser that suds up. I feel like that has actually made a big difference in the retainment of moisture in my skin, because I always associated clean skin with tight, dry feeling skin after you wash your face. A sudsy face wash is not the only face cleanser out there, and I feel like right now my skin has absolutely had the best 30 days that I feel like I've ever had, especially because in winter is when my skin condition starts to really flare up, and a big factor in why my skin does have the discoloration and dry patches is moisture, and I have not had any issues. It's literally rained one day and then been sunny the next, and my environment is a big impact on my skin, and this skincare routine has taken that into consideration and has created not only a face wash but a daily moisturizer incorporating SPF, which I unfortunately am ashamed to say I do not use as often as I should. So having it in my moisturizer has been absolutely amazing, and just one less thing running through my mind throughout the day. But even when it comes to washing my face at nighttime, I don't have that feeling of stripping all the moisture that my skin has generated on its own, but I'm also getting that really nice clean. And the serum is so amazing and lightweight that I'm kind of second guessing all my other serums now, because the texture that they kind of give me after I apply them is absolutely different than the Your one. This one is just very lightweight and quick absorbing, and the moisturizing night cream has just been super moisturizing, but again, quick absorbing and just very penetrating. So when I get ready to do my makeup, or when I'm just, lounging around the house, like, I feel so amazing and just so comfortable in my skin. I would absolutely recommend this to anybody, again, especially if you have sensitive skin, or if you're like me and suffer from any skin conditions. Like, this skincare system is it's amazing. But even just anybody, like if you want a skincare routine for you, I would absolutely say to check out I will leave a link down in the description box so that way you can go ahead and do your skincare quiz. If you have any questions or have any hesitations even before signing up, your team is so dedicated to making sure that you are happy with your products that they'll check in with you and they will explain anything that you are uncertain about and they will get you started. I just want to thank yours so much for sponsoring today's video. I couldn't have been more excited to try this skincare routine because, again, you know, I'm pretty scary when it comes to trying new skincare products, but this was just, it was made for me. I am just so excited to be able to finally share this with you guys because as you guys have seen in some of my previous makeup videos, like my skin has been glowing, sis. It's been glowing, and now I'm happy to be able to share with you guys why my skin is glowing and what my secret has been. But I thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like this, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Please, please, please make sure to show this video lots of love. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not. I do post every Tuesday and Friday. If you can't remember that, just hit that notification bell and you will get notified every time I post a video. But thank you guys again so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.